The thing to always think about is this tension between the business, the brand, and the end customer, in this case like a HCP, because you see a business has got a commercial objective. The brand's trying to differentiate itself against generics and competitors, and the end customer's got their own needs and goals. And sometimes those things, they don't align. They can actually be polarized apart. And people say to me, what's the value of doing this? It can sound, and I have been told before, it sounds a bit fluffy. It sounds like customer experiences are nice to have. And I'll just make the case for it really briefly. It's CXI. So within the CXI, what that says is most organizations are just good, okay? There's very few, there's only a couple which are excellent. And those that are excellent, they produce particularly really good outcomes. They make sure your customers are going to consider you for another purchase. They don't switch to competitor, and they do that recommendation effect.